gonna do a special experiment. Today we are gonna need 2 items, one candle and one balloon. Now I'll fill this balloon with a little water and little air. As you see, we're in background because this is filled with water. Now I'm gonna fill it half with air. This is half water and half air. Now with the help of my mother, I am gonna light the candle. Now I am gonna put the balloon on the candle and see what will happen.
Bring closer just enough that flame should touch the balloon surface. Let's see. We'll bring the balloon close to the flame. We'll see what happens. So the balloon is supposed to burst, right? It is not. You see instead the black color. Okay, let's keep it for some more time. See what happens.
It will burst.
I guess. No, it is not bursting. Okay, let's see. So nothing happened, right? Yeah, wipe the black stuff. It's okay. The balloon is still good. We'll keep it on more time.
Put it for 5 minutes, it will burst, I think.
Yeah, let's see.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
Ow. I am going to hold the balloon again on the flame. Only this time I am going to hold the side which has air.
So this time we'll hold the side which has air.
What? It's not bursting?
Because the water moves inside it. Okay, no worries. Let's try one more thing. Okay. Yeah, see? Nice.
Let me explain what happened. Water has very high heat capacity, which means it takes a lot of heat to make the water hot. Water in the balloon absorbs the heat from the candle, and this stops the balloon from heating or burning out. You see the exact opposite with air. So it heats up quickly and the balloon bursts. Thank you.